What's up guys, it's me JimmyaGeek. So here the Xiaomi Mi Mix 5G, you heard me right. So the music app, let me review the Netta music app. As you can say, click the music. I put a lot of audiobooks. This audiobooks personally I bought it. So yeah, but I wanna show you some like songs. For example, like what some African songs. For example, like okay, like something like this one. Something like this one. It's a very simple to be honest with you. Mi Link Bluetooth ringtone. But the good thing is that it's audio effect. So yeah, this was the music app review. I mean, normally I don't use any another app. The only downside is that if you listen to audio, you can bookmark it. That's why you have to use a third party app. Other than that, it's a quite good app. It was me, Jimmy.